Mommy, you know, say go and left the iron plug in. Eh? Me say you go and left the iron plug in. You leave and you left and left the iron plug in. Alright, so good morning everybody. Now I'm having a problem with my Mac. Got it a few days ago and it's already giving me trouble. Alright, so basically I don't have no sound on my Mac. It good otherwise, but me just not have no sound. Me can't play no music. Me can't do nothing that involves audio. Me not have no audio on Mac. And I tried to fix it last night. I watched some YouTube video on how to fix it, but not no work. So it only leads me to believe it's a hardware issue. I even try to take out the sorry for me look over there, so two people are passing outside me there. Yeah. So I even try to take out the speakers and see if the cable never plug in properly. So I take it out, try to clean off a little bit and plug it back in and see if that would have fixed the problem. But it's still like the same problem. So I don't know. Some people say it's a hardware issue, it's a software issue or something. I try everything what they tell me to do, it still not work. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna erase my Mac and reinstall Mac OS High Sierra on it fresh and see if that will fix the problem. If that doesn't fix the problem, then I know it's a hardware issue. Is either the speaker need to change or something wrong with the board itself. I don't know, but I'm not gonna work with it no sound thing. Cause me even try headphone tonight and it pick up the headphone still no work. So I don't know. I honestly don't know. And me can't work without any sound cause I map me edit pan. Me can't work without any sound, man. But anyway, we start getting to it, you know. Alright, so this is the Mac. This is our MacBook Unibody mid 2010. And no audio. No audio. Anyway, yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna erase the Mac. But in order to do this now, I'm actually gonna need two hands and show me the whole phone with the other hand. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to erase the Mac now. So I can press Command R and then press the power button over there. So, but I'm go hold on. Oh, I'm sorry if you miss people. Actually, we just showed some things from out of the house now. So yeah. So I'm gonna put this over here. So. Alright. Alright. I think instead of barrier, when it's a load, if keep going on until it reach, probably halfway or something like that. Alright, I think this is good enough. Alright, so I'm gonna pause the video for when it finish load. Yeah, so catch in a few minutes. Alright, so I just finished load. And go ahead and select English. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I think they say, cause me da watch a video on how to actually erase the Mac, because it's my first Mac. I don't really know much about Mac. So I think they say in order to erase the Mac completely, you need to go in a disk utility and totally erase the drive. But now me I think about it, I think I don't really want to erase the drive. I just want to reinstall the OS and see if that would have fixed the issue I have now. Cause me do have some files on it and some video projects that me that work plan to put on YouTube. So I don't really want to erase the entire drive. But in order to copy the drive, we don't need one external hard drive, which I don't have at this moment. So I'm just go try to reinstall the OS. Okay. And if that still no work, well then I can get, I have to do a complete erase, clean the drive and everything. Okay, so there's not enough space. Okay, so how did I go back? Okay. Alright, so I'm changing mine. Just to go wipe it, erase it altogether, and restyle a fresh copy. Alright, so Macintosh D 9 gigs. Okay, so okay, so it's installing. Says it's gonna take about 16 minutes. So okay, well 21 minutes. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys when it's finished. So it's finished, and I wonder if it's fixed. Nope, not fixed. So it isn't a hardware issue after all. Oh, this sucks. Okay, while I try to get this fixed, guys, maybe you need to buy a new speaker for it or something. I'm not sure. This video is gonna end here, so thanks for watching.